A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are staying fine at home. Today, in English Reader, we are going to start lesson number 3 Who Did It? Page number 33. Who did it? So, from the name of the lesson only, we can guess something had happened and we have to find the culprit. Culprit means a criminal. So, this is a story of Vasant colony where a robbery had occurred and how Inspector Bela finds out the culprit, finds out the criminal. So, it is a very interesting story. You must all have seen the criminal cases on Crime Patrol and how the police finds out the criminal. Open your page number 34. Put your finger where teacher is reading and underline the difficult words which I will tell you. So let's start reading. The police suspect 5 men. Who is the real culprit? Underline culprit. Culprit, as I have already told you, culprit means criminal. Suspect means having doubts. The police had doubt on 5 men, and out of these 5 men, we have to find out the real culprit. Now let's read the story. Vasant colony was shocked. A house in the colony had been burgled. Mr. Sharma and his family had gone to attend a wedding. Underline wedding. When they came back around midnight, their house was in a mess. Many things had been stolen. So, in the Vasant colony, a house had been burgled. Burgle means robbed. Burgle means robbed. So, here, whose house is this? This house is of Mr. Sharma. This house is of Mr. Sharma. Where had they gone? Mr. Sharma and his family, they had gone to attend a wedding. And then what happened? When no one was at home, some thieves, maybe some or maybe one. So they entered in the house and robbed it. So the house was in a mess. In a mess meaning is already given down in the box. In a mess means in total disorder. Everything was lying here and there, and many things were stolen from the house. Mr. Sharma called the police. The police searched, underline searched. The police searched the whole house for clues. Clues means hints. They found some footprints in the garden. There was a shoe near the garden wall. It must have come off while someone was climbing over the wall. Inspector Bela Minch asked the people in the neighborhood, underline neighborhood, if they had seen anyone suspicious that night, underline suspicious. Suspicious means having doubt on somebody. Now in this para, after Mr. Sharma's house was robbed, he called the police, and when the police came, they searched the whole house for clues. Means they were searching for some things which can help in their searching, which can help in finding out the criminal. So what they found in their search, that in the garden there were some footprints. Footprints means prints of foot, means maybe some shoe print, something must be there. So they found a shoe near the garden wall, which it means a thief was trying to climb over the wall while going out and his shoe fell off. Then Inspector Bela, she started asking questions from the people in the neighborhood that if they had any doubt on somebody. Mr. Hussain, the next door neighbor, said, I heard some noise at night. I looked out of my window and saw someone climbing over the garden wall. I called out, but... So when Inspector Bela Minch was asking questions, means interrogating people in the neighborhood, then Mr. Hussain said, who was living just the next door, and he saw that someone was trying to climb over the garden wall. Did you see him properly? What was he like? Asked Bela Minch. Well, it was dark and I couldn't see very well, but I am sure it was a man. He was tall and thin, said Mr. Hussain. Now Mr. Hussain said, because it was night, everything was so dark, so I could not see that man clearly, but I can say that he was very tall and thin. Then the police questioned Mr. Jagan, whose shop stood at the corner of the road. He could see the Sharma's house from his shop. Now police is questioning Mr. Jagan, whose shop is just at the corner of the road, and from his shop he can see Sharma's house very clearly. Mr. Jagan said, I saw a man walking very fast. He came from the direction, underlined direction, of the house. He was holding a bag close to his chest. I felt suspicious. I shouted at him to stop, but he ran away. So Mr. Jagan, whose shop was at the side of at the corner of the road, he said that he saw a man who was running very fast, and he was coming from the direction of that house, and he was having a bag which he clung to his chest, means holding close to his chest. So that's why he felt very suspicious. Suspicious meaning is already given in the meaning box. It means that felt that something was not right. So Jagan felt that something was not right. So he shouted at him to stop, but he ran away. What did he look like? Asked the inspector. He was short and thin. He looked quite scared. Scared means frightened, afraid. He looked quite scared. He wore black trousers, underlined trousers, and a blue shirt. He had curly hair. So here inspector is asking to Jagan about the looks of the thief. So Jagan told him that he was very short and thin. How was his looks? He was short and thin. And Jagan said that the thief was wearing black trousers and a blue shirt and had curly hair. The Sharmas then told the police that Mr. Sameer Kumar, the ice cream vendor underline, at the end of the road, might know something. He sold ice cream till late at night. Now, at the end of the road, there is an ice cream seller. Vendor means seller. The ice cream seller who used to sell ice cream late till night. So, Sharma's, he just told police that he stay late at home at the road, so he can give some information about it. The ice cream vendor said, yes, I saw someone suspicious. It was 11 p.m. He was a bald man with a mustache. He was walking very fast. He kept looking back. I am sure he was the one who broke into the house. Here mustache means hair on the upper lip. So the ice cream vendor, the ice cream seller said that he saw a man who was having a mustache and he was walking very fast, and I think he was afraid as he kept looking back to see if anyone was following him. So he was very sure that yes, this was the man who tried to rob the house, who has done this robbery. Mr. Money and his family, who lived 2 houses away from the Sharmas, said that they had come home late after watching a movie. As they reached their house, they saw 2 young men on a motorcycle, underlined motorcycle, driving past recklessly. Driving past recklessly means driving very dangerously. So when Mr. Money and his family, they were coming late night after watching a movie, they saw 2 men on the motorcycle. They were driving the motorcycle very dangerously, means driving very fast. They were driving very carelessly without caring anything, and this shows that they had done something wrong. They were in a hurry to get away, said Mrs. Money. Why do you think so? Asked Bela Minch. They looked uneasy, she said. Could you see their faces? Asked Inspector Bela Minch. So Mrs. Money said they were looking like they were in hurry as they were trying to run away from there. But then inspector said, but how can you say so? She said, because they were looking very uneasy, means uncomfortable, means they want to run from there. I just got a glimpse, underline glimpse. Both of them had long hair, but one had a beard. Beard means hair on the chin, and glimpse means to see for a while, just to have a short look. So she said that she had only seen them for a while, but she has seen that both had long hair and one of them had a beard. After the investigation, underline investigation, the police rounded up 5 men who matched the descriptions given by all the witnesses. Rounded up means caught. The police caught 5 men after the investigation who matched the descriptions given by all the witnesses. Witnesses means all the people, those who have seen such suspects. Inspector Bela Minch called the 5 suspects to her room and questioned them in detail. So all the five suspects on whom inspector was having doubt, she called all of them to her room and started questioning in detail. At the end of the day, the police arrested one of the men, whose name was Gattu. So, out of the five men, and after all this questioning, Inspector Bela arrested Gattu. Can you guess why? Inspector Bela Minj asked each suspect to try on the shoe found in the garden. Why police inspector has arrested Gattu? Because she asked all the suspects to try the shoe which she found in the garden. It fitted Gattu, the short, thin man with curly hair, perfectly. So that shoe fitted Gattu very perfectly. So she knew that he was the one. So, like this, she caught the thief. I So, your homework is do difficult words and word meanings in your notebook. Till then, take care.